this price. And obviously the next job we've got is trying to value the volatility at that price. If we value the volatility at that price, one of the things we can already recognize is that at yesterday's day high, volatility was priced here, and now it's priced here, right? Now it's priced here this morning. So if that's the case, if I just take that on an anchored basis and just drag it up into the charts, that would suggest that the S&P could be valued as much as 45.30. 45.30. That could be a big, massive profit on the upside, couldn't it, on that short-term readjustment? It wasn't the case at the open, because at the open we had obviously got the gap down again, and that suggested that the price on the S&P should be around about 45.10s. But obviously after this ramp up in volatility, cheap volatility, it's actually starting to put a bid back into the macro, didn't it? It's put a bid back into the 2-day macro at the moment. And that 2-day macro was obviously very, very bearish from yesterday. I mean, this line here was very bearish for that sell-off, to be absolutely fair. So there's maybe just a bit of a readjustment coming back into this. But even if we do a readjustment, if we look at where that volatility is priced, and we look a little bit further in the background, just a little bit further in the background, you'll see that that volatility is priced around this area here. So even if it's priced around this area here, if we take the lowest price, that would put the S&P currently priced around about 45.25. 45.25. So this gives us a couple of pointers. This idea here gives us a couple of pointers in the background to go back to and say, right, based on a straightforward valuation, this is where we're at. This is where we're at. And that's what we're trying to look at in these environments, isn't it? That's what we're looking at in these environments. Anyway, let's see how the rest of the day progresses. I've got nothing at the moment. I'm not interested in anything at the moment. I have no edge. As I said, we're waiting for the first edge to show up. And at the moment, I don't have any swing edge to do any business with. So I am a short-term scalper, guys. Short-term scalp. The oil, how well did the oil buy do, guys? Anybody? How well was our oil long trade received? Anybody? Pretty damn tootin' good. So we sold the orange line, which is buy oil, and if you wanted to hedge it against a dollar position, you actually made money on the dollar position as well. So if you were doing the spreads, trade, you would have been long oil, long dollars on a spread. And you made a double alpha on that, guys. You are the alpha. Woo-woo! Gotta be good.